things that I'm going to miss will be my bed. When I finished all my exams, I went to the lodge and I asked Mr. Steve to give me another mattress. Yeah, because we always have this free mattress for everybody. So I wanted to sleep like a queen, and I got two mattresses. So I got this. I already had this, so I got this. So I was sleeping like a queen, just above. So I was sleeping like a queen, and it's heavy, so I don't know if I will be able to return it. But yeah, I'm going to miss my bed. And what else am I going to miss? The other things I'm going to miss about my room will be the accessibility to the chimneys. The chimneys here, my chimneys, and this tree. Whenever I wake up, I see it shaking its branches, and I feel life, flowing through my body. So I'm going to miss this tree, and when I reach home, I'm going to make sure that I plant another tree so I can see it growing. Yeah, for those months it will be grown. Yeah, I'll get a fast growing tree. I would go to a nursery and I ask, those are my chimneys that I'm going to miss so much. Chimney, chimney, chimney. And then I'm going to miss my tree, baby. I will miss you, but stay well and keep on absorbing as much nutrients as you can from the soil. I hope no one cut said. Alright, I'll be leaving my room. I have to take the key and see you later. So yeah, I'm taking the keys to the lodge. I'm done. I haven't seen my watch. So, yep. Talk to you later, guys.